Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L Plus in bright white. With adaptive cruise control with stop and go, S appearance package, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and rear crosspath detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 57,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated second row seating, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7504A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.